arrange the steps of construction while constructing a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeters from a point 12 centimeter away from its center. Means what are we doing? First understand that. See, there is a circle of what 5 centimeter radius and A is at a distance of 12 centimeter. We have to construct these tangents from A to this circle. That's what the point is. So obviously first step will be drawing a circle. So which is the first step? With O as a center, draw a circle of radius 5, means step 3. So 3, check wherever 3 is not the first step. C. So C is out. Now only A, B and D remain. Okay. After that we will have to join OA. So take point A at a distance of 12 from O. So fifth is the next step. So now A, B and D. Check which third and fifth. Okay. So D is gone now. So A and B remain. Okay. So third, fifth. Now next is first or fourth. That's what the problem is only. So what is after taking this point A? What should be the next step? The next step should be to bisect this point and draw a circle. This one. This should be the next step, so that we get two cutting points. Okay. So check which has a bisection. Join OA and bisect it first. And fourth is take point P as a center. No, it is not there. First is bisection. So first is the next step. So 3, 5th and then first. So and what about B? 3, 5th and 4th. No, this is not the option. So A is the correct option. 3, 5th, first and then 4th and then second. So once you get this correct route, correct sequence, forget the remaining steps. So you got the answer. In exam stop here. But now if you want to check, let's check the remaining steps. Now fourth is with P as a center and PO as a radius, draw a circle intersecting the given circle at the points B and C. See, we have drawn this red circle and now we have cut this B and C. This red circle cuts this black circle. This is the original circle we want at B and C. Now next step will be what? Check the second one. So join AB and AC. AB and AC are the required tangents. Length of the tangents is 11. So once you join this AB and AC, these are the tangents and obviously their length is 11. Why? Because no dear, the length of the tangents can't be 11 because this is 12, this is 5. So Pythagoras theorem, 12 square minus 5 square, 144 minus 25, it is 119. Square root of 119 will be the length of this tangent. So it's not 11. So we'll remove this. Length of the tangent equals to 11. So the correct sequence is third, fifth, first, fourth and second. Okay. A. Next one. Next, arrange the following steps of construction